So this is Shasta County District Attorney's Office Investigation Division. My signature and date. This was faxed straight to this office right here. I have a fax machine at home. So, basically the DA, denying getting any copies or denying getting any paperwork from me is absurd, because it's faxed straight directly to their office, as well as phone calls several times a month. And it says here basically that it doesn't apply to somebody that would be in a domestic violence situation, and then that would be the reason why they continue to lie about the kids and continue lie about me and charge me with crimes that I've never committed, because then they could basically lie and say that they're protecting her or giving her protective services. So this is kind of funny, because this was filled out by me, and then on the back, which was also faxed to the Shasta County District Attorney's Office, says, all I ask is temporarily prevent visitation with children to investigate neglect and abuse, and allow children to attend therapy without Kendra controlling the outcome. Further, we just had court-ordered therapy, which Kendra violated court orders. Canceled appointments I had made previously and did not attend weekly sessions. My son Jack said one visit he didn't go because Kendra's tires were slashed after a fight with her and Jason, her boyfriend Jason, the night before. I'm trying to be proactive and avoid a situation which has continued to escalate or to progress. And it's signed by me and dated by me. And then that would be kind of funny that, October 22nd, 2001, by certain judge, and basically petitioned to the court, and it says basically, Mother Kendra Snyder is to choose a therapist to engage in reunification therapy with the minor child Jace. Mother will be able to enroll and schedule therapy appointments without the consent of father. Mother will be able to transport Jace from therapy sessions. When mother has visitation with Jace every Friday from pickup after school lets out until 7. If the visitation occurs during an event that the father is present for, like a track meet, sporting event for another child, father is to allow Jace and mother to spend the time together without interrupting them. Now this is kind of absurd, actually, because the reunification therapy with Kendra was hilarious, because Jace, under his own his own choice, doesn't want to be with Kendra or around her boyfriend at all, because she lies constantly, and then the courts control the narrative or control his life. And then also, which is kind of absurd, is that the therapy that Kendra supposedly chose was Shasta Options, and it was all controlled through the court, and the narrative was controlled through the court. And Jace actually came home several times and was talking to me about their therapy sessions, and he was saying that the therapist didn't want to hear anything about them being abducted, didn't want to hear anything about his relationship with his mom or her boyfriend. Just basically just kept ramrodding and kept ramming, the fact that he should spend time with his mother and spend time with, and basically healing their relationship, which pissed Jace off, because Jace didn't want to have anything to do with her, and wanted to talk about his life and wanted to talk about abduction and the fact that they were taken from Sacramento, and Shasta County Shasta Options didn't want to hear anything about it. I actually called the therapist and was pretty pissed at him, and I basically explained to him that about the situation and the entire situation, and got on him pretty heavily about giving me records, and I wanted to know what was going on in therapy sessions, and he basically flat out didn't call me back and wouldn't talk to me anymore. And one of the sessions with the therapy that with Kendra, Jay said he went and watched a movie with her that was like, he said it was really weird and it was disturbing, and it was like about a dad that was trying to kill the mom and the kid, and it was called Antlers or something like that. And Jay said he was really freaked out, and Kindred had already paid for the tickets. The theater was kind of cleared out, and that she basically, forced him to watch this movie. And she asked him how he felt about it at the end, and he said that he felt like it was basically not reality, or not real, and that he thought that it was forced by the courts, that to make it sound like his dad was abusive to them, which was funny to me because that's what they've been saying the entire time.